how to select memorial monuments for loved ones. The memorial you choose must stand as an endearing symbol of your love and respect. Your memorial must reflect family pride and dignity in a refined manner. The memorialist you seek to help you with this task must have the proper credentials and should present them. This will assure you the highest quality craftsmanship, finest granites, and the strongest warranty in the memorial industry. For example, for over 100 years, Rock of Ages has designed and crafted granite memorials for millions of families, so they recognize the importance of preserving memories of loved ones for the generations that follow. They stand behind our granite memorials to ensure the craftsmanship and service that make Rock of Ages memorials truly special. Rock of Ages hand selects only the finest quality granite blocks from their own quarries, and supervises the design and crafting of your memorial from the time it leaves the granite quarry through to its installation at your chosen location. Their memorials are made to last forever, and they deliver the strongest written warranty possible, guaranteeing your memorial in perpetuity. When you are selecting your monument or memorial, consider the fact that this will last forever.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.